today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the line spacing in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is highlight over whatever text you want to adjust the spacing for. And then up at the Home tab, you want to go over the paragraph section. And there should be an icon that says line spacing when you hover over. Just go ahead and click the drop down. And you can make it larger or smaller depending on your preference. You can select line spacing options if you want to adjust it even further, and then you would select OK to save any modifications in there, and that's all you have to do. So, as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.